Hey, it's Craig Chemay from ClearStarMedia.com, and today on ExpertVillage we're talking about YouTube. How to get yourself on there. Let's say you don't have a camcorder, a nice camcorder, or even one of those little digital cameras, but you still want to get on YouTube. Well, what I recommend you do is go out and get yourself a little webcam. Some computers even have it in there. A lot of the new laptops, and of course those Macs always have that little tiny dot at the top. That's a little camera. You can make a video post or actually a whole show right with that camera. I'm going to show you how right now. Click the upload button right on your screen. Okay? Figure out what it is. I'm going to write this, Craig on ExpertVillage. And of course, description, a fast typer. Tags, I can tell whatever it is I want to do. This is, Craig talking. Okay? Then video category. Again, you go ahead and choose what category you think it fits. I think it's going to be about people. And then I want to show this to everybody or not. Now, instead of clicking upload, we're going to click use quick capture. Now you can see I've got the camera set up right here, and I've got the light here as well. Then the other thing, most cameras nowadays, I really highly recommend that you get a camera with a microphone on it. Now me, I've got a camera from the 1950s, so unfortunately it doesn't have a mic on it. So I've got these really fancy and great looking headphones. I'm not going to utilize the headphone part, I'm just going to use the mic. So I'm going to put the mic down so I don't look too ridiculous on the desk here and just use that as a regular microphone. Now you can certainly buy a microphone if your camera doesn't have one built in from any store as well. Now once we come up to this screen here, it's going to ask us Adobe Flash Player settings, allow. Click allow. And take a look at that, Just like that, I'm now on the screen. And it's that easy. You can see the audio level at the bottom of the screen there. Now, at the bottom of the screen there's that little audio level. That is allowing you to see how your audio is going, to make sure it's recording at a good level so people can hear you. And of course, video is on there as well. And at the bottom there, it says video not recording. That's to let you know it hasn't recorded anything, it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and make a clip right here. I'm going to click record, and I will look into my camera. Hi, it's Craig here from ExpertVillage, and I'm talking to you on my webcam as I'm making a little clip here for YouTube to show you how easy it is to use your webcam and a microphone, and of course, the most important thing, a light, because lighting is everything. If you don't have a good light, your quality on YouTube is going to be very, very poor. So make sure you use a light. Any kind of light will really make a difference. That's all I have for now. Let's take a look at our clip. I will go ahead and either cancel or finish and exit. I'm going to click finish and exit. And from there, the computer will go ahead and record it, and I'll click My Videos, and in just a moment, it will be on this My Video page. And that's it. We'll take a look at that and another feature called the Remixer after this.